Here's my key, philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity.
Hello guys, good day to everyone. Right now, i-share ko sa inyo paano yung pagsimula or paano ka mag-i-start dito sa Infinity Supreme. Okay? Una, i-visit mo yung website ng taong nag-refer sa inyo. Okay? Read more about the company. Then, yung FAQ section. Okay? And then, i-browse mo siya. Okay? Lahat po nung nasa web page, basahin nyo po. Okay? And then, kung nabasa nyo na po at naunawaan nyo na siya, you can click the joint button at the lower, okay, at the lower part para kayo makasali. Okay, just click it and then wait for a few seconds para mag-connect kayo dito sa fill of form, sa application form. Okay, kung makikita nyo doon sa taas, makikita yung contact number ng sponsor nyo. Okay, and then to complete the form below, you can create your username, your password. Okay, make sure na yung username nyo po is maganda and then madali siyang tandaan. Okay, kasi po ito po yung magiging subdomain ng website nyo. Yeah. Now we will type the username. Halimbawa, yan, yung username mo is si Superman. Okay, then type your password. Okay, after your password, your first name. Example, ikaw si Juan de la Cruz. Yan, just type your info, then your email address na kung saan doon po isi-send at yun po yung gagamitin nyo para makuha lahat ng mga updates. Kung meron po kayong bagong downline, okay, i-email po nila sa inyo. And then your mobile number para yun din po yung lilitaw dun sa magiging website nyo para makontak kayo ng mga prospects nyo and customers. Alright, then the country. Okay, if you are here in the Philippines, and then your birthday. Yan. After you fill up again your application, okay, then click the next button again. Titingnan natin kung unique na yung username mo. Okay, Juan de la Cruz, congratulations! You have successfully created your Infinity Supreme account. Okay, your next step is to purchase your first product package. Okay, pipili po kayo saan po kayo magbabayad. Kaya po, we advise kung wala pa kayong pambayad, okay, mag-i-email po kasi sa inyo, is a confirmation email, and then babalikan nyo po yung pagka nakabayad na kayo. Click it again and then makakarating uli kayo dito, then i-click nyo po kung saan po kayo nagbayad at fill up the form. Yan, we have 6 payment option. Okay, pwede kayo sa Smart Money, pwede po sa Smart Wireless, kaya ako sa mga malapit na naglo-load po. Okay, GCash, Union Bank. Kung may credit card naman kayo, you can use the PayPal. Okay, Alert Pay, or Western Union. Okay, yung pong limit, wala siyang charge sa Western Union is minimal amount lang naman. Okay, and then i-click nyo lang kung saan kayo nagbayad. Halimbawa is Union Bank. Just click the picture, okay? Yung icon ng Union Bank. Okay, but before that, makikita nyo is meron pong email. Ayan. Ito po yung email na marireceive nyo kapag ka nakapag-proceed na kayo doon sa payment option. Okay, napila pa nyo na yung first application, yung first part. Okay, meron pong link doon na kung saan, ayun, ano sabi niya, click the link below to begin the payment process. Okay, just click that, the www.infinitysupreme.com/pay-php. Okay, click nyo lang po yun at makakarating kayo dun sa payment option. Yan, after nyo naman hindi nakapag-success ng fill of form, okay, may marireceive din kayong email. Okay, ngayon nandito po tayo dun sa Union Bank. Okay, nandun po yung account kung saan kayo magdi-deposit. Okay, then fill up again the additional info, the username to upgrade, your full name, your amount paid, $888 or $22, okay? Yung date of payment, makikita po yun doon sa resibo. Okay, yung payment slip. And then select your product of your choice. Package 1, pwede pong Millionizer Pack. Okay, free delivery worldwide. Okay, it's the digital product. Then we have the package 2, yung po yung beverage trio pack. Free delivery within the Philippines only. Okay, then yung package 3, yung po yung infuse. Okay, 2 box of infuse sa beverage. Pipili po kayo dun sa tatlong beverage po natin. Pwede pong pare-pareho or assorted. Okay, then don't forget yung transaction ID. Okay, yung po yung trace number sa resibo. Okay, this is for demo purposes lang po. Kaya yon, pinakita lang po namin kung ano po yung mangyayari sa inyo kapag po kayo nag-sign up, kung ano po yung laman ng application form. Okay, for the meantime, halimbawa, nakapag-submit na po kayo, okay? May marireceive po kayong email na kung saan confirmation that your new account has been created. Okay? You have definitely taken the one step further towards to a life of financial freedom and success. Yan. Then, lilitaw po yung website nyo. Halimbawa, ako, yung ginawa ko is, username ko kanina is, halimbawa, yun nga, it's Team Chosen 1. Okay, yung magiging website mo is teamchosen1.infinitysupreme.com. Okay, you can share now that link to all your friends and sa lahat ng mga relatives mo, okay, ka-textmate mo, i-text mo lang yan, then i-visit nila yung website mo para magkaroon din sila ng idea dun sa business natin. Okay, yun lang po yung simple step by step how to get started here in Infinity Supreme. And for more info, you just post your comments at facebook.com/teamchosen1. Okay, yun po yung fan page ng group po natin. And thank you very much.